Hello guys, review tablet LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. This Wi-Fi version. And look completion. In completion we have adapter for charging 20 watt and Type-C cable. That's all completion. Okay. Now talk about device. We have 11.5-inch display, on the downside connectors, on this side Type-C cable port and headphones jack, speakers, second speakers on this side, key for button for turn on, volume buttons and smart button we have. Turn on device. We have Android 14 and ZUI launcher by Lenovo. Good working. Okay, open Geekbench. Geekbench 6 display. We have IPS Full HD Plus resolution, 90 Hz refresh rate. This CPU test results. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 and Adreno 610 GPU. Open Antutu benchmark, Antutu results. Okay. Camera, we have medium camera, video recording, photo and documentary. And PUBG Mobile works on the low graphic level. Okay, close this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.